Our business has almost 50 employees. Most of them don't even have a desk. We have 5 boats and 2 locations, and our manager and our head reservationist live 5,000 miles away. Microsoft helps us provide a quality experience for our guests. My name is Jeff. I've got 16,271 log dives under my belt, and this is my office.
The philosophy behind Jack's Diving Locker is we can make a difference in the world and protect our oceans because they're just such a vital part of life. Microsoft 365 Business allows us to focus on what we do well.
As we were understanding what their business processes were, and as we were mapping that to solutions inside Microsoft 365 Business, Jack's was very willing to say, just because we've always done it this way doesn't mean it always needs to be done this way.
It's kind of a puzzle every day, and Microsoft helps keep us all connected.
When you look at the work that they're doing and the impact that they're having, and we're able to extend Microsoft's solutions and our services to help empower them, man, that's really powerful.
Jack's Diving Locker is located in one of the most remote places in the world. We're 2,500 miles from anywhere. Microsoft helps run my business, and I can relax and focus on what part of the ocean we're going to save next.